Importantly, Ford does not produce or market a vehicle with the name Ford Motorhome 2025 directly. Rather, the Ford chassis and platforms, most notably the Ford Transit and Ford E-Series Cutaway, are used as a foundation by a number of body companies and modifications to construct motorhomes using the design. Consequently, there isn't a single 2025 Ford Motorhome exterior standard. Nonetheless, we may talk about typical external features seen on 2025 Ford chassis or VS. The kind of motorhome will have a significant impact on body form. Class B camper van usually keeps much of the original van design like the Ford Transit, but adds windows, a high roof if you want one, and outside accessories like a rear ladder, bike rack, or awning. Class C designed with a bigger rear body that extends over the driver's cab over bunk and built on a cutaway chassis like the Ford E-Series Cutaway or Transit Cutaway. Class A constructed from the ground up with a large, specially made bus-like body on a unique motorhome chassis like the Ford F53 chassis. Storage areas beneath beds or benches, as well as higher and lower cupboards. Additional deep cycle batteries, an inverter for AC power, an electrical system control panel, and maybe solar panels are also part of the electrical system. Acoustic and thermal insulation, as well as openable windows or roof ventilation. Modern and minimalist design features simple lines, muted hues, and astute material selection to make the most of available space. Sophisticated infotainment systems, intelligent temperature and lighting management, and strong connection. Utilizing eco-friendly and recyclable materials is becoming more and more common. Convertible or foldable furniture to maximize available space. LED lighting offers a range of moods and is energy efficient. Larger windows to provide a wider perspective and greater natural sunlight. Depending on the chassis used, the 2025 Ford Motorhome's engines will change. Popular for tiny to medium-sized campervan conversions, the Ford Transit is a multi-purpose vehicle. A 2.0L EcoBlue diesel probably for the European market, a 3.5L PFDI V6, and a 3.5L EcoBoost V6 are among the possible engine options. Larger Class C motorhomes are frequently built on the more durable Ford E-Series Cutaway chassis. The 2025 model's standard engine is a 7.3L V8 gasoline engine. A potent V8 gasoline engine that generates around 450 pounds-ft of torque and 325 horsepower. One common option for constructing big Class A motorhomes is the Ford F-Series strip chassis. More especially the F53. The 2025 F53 chassis is powered by a 7.3L V8 gasoline engine, which generates around 335 horsepower and 468 pounds-ft of torque.